Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Annis Bay, British Columbia. This small bay is located on the southern shore of Shuswap Lake, just east of the community of Blind Bay. The area is quiet and surrounded by forested hills, with homes and cottages along the shoreline. Like many places around Shuswap Lake, Annis Bay is popular for its peaceful setting and access to the water. The bay takes its name from the Annis family, who were early settlers in the region. Over time, the name stuck and became used for both the bay and the surrounding area. Annis Bay remains a small and quiet place, offering a slower pace of life in one of British Columbia's scenic lakefront areas. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Annis Bay, British Columbia.